Hello there, YouTube. We're going to show how we cut plexiglass with our little mini grinder. These discs have a 3/8 hole, but I made a plastic bushing so it would fit my 1/4-inch arbor. You can find these for cut-off wheels, for air-operated tools. You can also find them where you put the thing in your drill, but they're not going to go too fast in your drill. To make this real short, we're going to show how good this cuts plexiglass. Down a little bit, but no melting. That's what's nice. You can also shape it. And that's how I make these. I color these with marker on one side. I'll sand it just to keep track of what they are. I still won't remember what size they are, but that's how I make these. I'll drill a 1/4-inch hole with my cordless drill so it goes real slow. But you make all kinds of different sanding discs, plastic washers, but that's how that works. Thanks for watching.